Hello. In this discussion, we'll be talking about streamlining your planning, budgeting, and forecasting processes to deliver a faster, more compliant close. Our software portfolio consists of four components: enterprise performance management, governance, risk and compliance, business intelligence, and information management. With our software, you have improved effectiveness and performance control, which gives better control performance, increased organizational agility, and a greater context for decision making. One of the steps that our software does is monitor and analyze, which includes communicating, collecting, analyzing, and reporting. Our agenda today, we will talk about the software and the problem it solves, the benefits of it to partners and customers, an overview of the solution, and next steps. Our goals are to align financial and operational plans, improve planning and accuracy, reduce budget time cycles, spend more time on analysis, quickly model potential business strategies, and have confidence in financial results and reports. The challenge is data, process, and execution, and we realize only about 60% of our strategy is potential value because of defects and breakdowns in planning and execution. Now, compound that by regulatory landscapes such as IFRS, Sarbanes-Oxley, and the EU Account Modernization Directive. There are new requirements for fast reporting and a need for more accuracy. So, companies are investing in an agile planning solution because they have the ability to reforecast as market conditions change. Increased economic uncertainty makes you want to throw your annual budget out the window, and continuous planning and rolling forecasts required allows you to quickly adapt to dynamic economic conditions. So what are the benefits to the partners? You'll improve your time to value for your customers, you'll elevate customer relationships, and your strategic focus will be on our software. It opens the door for other consulting projects, and the software is typically at the controller level. Plus, some business models are very specific to the industry, web services that are produced in the market. Streamlining of strategic and operating plans is another benefit. You get to advise on various approaches to budgeting. Business processes re-engineer themselves and create standard business process flow. And also, you have forecasting, predictive analytics algorithms, as well as variance analysis. So what are the benefits to customers? As an example, a media company reduces their budgeting process from weeks to days. Suppliers of standard and specialty plants and fertilizers made rolling forecasts more reliable. Manufacturing companies can improve their budgeting and forecasting processes, and many more. If you look in the news today, a lot of customers are using products that are being built by more than one company, and it's to improve businesses of all sizes. A lot of companies are also becoming more cost conscious and looking for budgeting systems to help achieve their goals. And Insight into the Future reveals that a new financial reporting and budgeting system will help you improve your customer service and compete with other companies. So, as an example, there's a company in Japan, and their industry is life sciences, and their challenges were to reduce the time required to assemble their budget and consolidate group-wide budgeting. Now, they chose us because of the comprehensive application that supports all budget management operations. Another company in the oil and gas industry wanted to deliver accurate, reliable, and consistent financial data. And they also wanted to shorten cycle times for planning. So with us, they improved their decision making and increased productivity. A company in the public sector in London, England, wanted to monitor financial performance of 18 external operating companies. With us, there was massive improvement in efficiency, with processing time cut in half and a reduced risk of errors. A telecommunications company wanted to manage the reporting, analysis, and budgeting of consolidation processes with a single system. With us, we formed a unified solution, fast and cost-effective to deploy. And there's many more examples that I could give that reveal the overall benefits of using one of our applications, but I'd rather go into the solution. The three parts of our application that we are offering are that it's familiar and easy to use because it enables Microsoft Office, it's process-centric, and it's unified. Now, when I say familiar and easy to use, I'm referring to the interfaces that reduce the learning curve and increase adoption. You can choose anything from the Office suite for your needs. Plus, we help users know what to do when, why, and how. And it's set up and it's owned by the business users. So there's a distinct responsibility that's being used to help delegate what needs to be done. Also, it's process-centric, so there's step-by-step guidance on the planning process, and it enforces the policies and procedures as well as customized to specific needs of your organization. What makes it unified is 4 parts. We use business planning, consolidation, forecasting, and reporting and analysis, and that unifies into one system. Our starter kits are for faster legal compliance. You don't have to worry much about that regulation, so you can implement fast. It's trusted by legal authorities, as well as a comprehensive scope. The data collection, control, and data processing is really what makes the starter kits great. It contains business process flows, data input and control, as well as consolidation processing. There's also analysis and an audit trail of financial statements, so you can audit IDs for tracking data origin, and as well as have the basic statements such as the balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flow statement, changes in equity, as well as segment information. There's powerful connectivity and a lot of mapping and loading designed for the business user and not for the IT person. It leverages the power and openness of certain data services and application and database connectivity. And importing data into the system is done seamlessly, and you'll be able to view logs that will help you optimize when you want to bring in data or do ETL operations. Also, you can streamline your business rules for the business user, so it makes it fast to set up taxonomies and map data, makes it simple to work with other solutions that you may be using to do this overall strategy, and it makes it flexible so you can base it on certain specifications. So to sum it up, our benefits to this application are that it's familiar and easy to use, process-centric, and unified. You have your choice of anything from the Microsoft Office suite to use with this application. You have business flows that you can use to streamline your process, and you have your planning and consolidation platforms that you can use to bring data together as well as plan for the year. So, next steps is to think about how you're going to streamline your planning and automate your consolidation. Remember, our software supports top-down and bottom-up planning and also facilitates collaborative planning. On top of that, it enables continuous planning and automates the consolidation process. In a typical planning environment, more than half the time is spent on gathering and rekeying data, which leaves not much time for analysis. With this software, you add value to the added activities of explaining the why and exploring the what if. Your planning and budgeting processes will be significantly enhanced once you implement our software. We've reduced the budgeting cycle time and delivered it, making it easy to use as well as sophisticated. So for more information, check out our website where you can read some white papers and solution briefs, as well as go over some case studies that will help you make a better decision.